Home HVAC Services Group provides dependable furnace not heating repair in Phoenixville, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners restore warmth and comfort when their heating systems stop working properly. Our experienced technicians diagnose common issues such as faulty thermostats, dirty filters, ignition failures, malfunctioning blower motors, electrical problems, and restricted airflow. Call our furnace not heating repair if you have any questions. Are you looking for a furnace not heating repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services Group. Why is my furnace running but not producing heat? Your furnace may have a dirty air filter, incorrect thermostat settings, an ignition problem, a faulty flame sensor, restricted airflow, or a malfunctioning heating component. What should I check before requesting furnace repair? Confirm that the thermostat is set to heat, replace dirty filters, check the circuit breaker, and make sure the furnace power switch is on. Avoid opening the unit or attempting electrical or gas repairs yourself. What is your service area for the Phoenixville, Pennsylvania service office? Our furnace not heating repair has served Phoenixville, Montclair, Wayhill, Bertrandville, Kimberton, Oaks, Arcola, Royersford, Valley Forge, Wilbourn Acres, Spring City, Chesterbrook, Parker Ford, Abbey Downs, Audubon, Pennsylvania. Where is your Phoenixville, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 710 Wheatland Street, Phoenixville, Pennsylvania 19460. Our phone number is 610-601-6106. Visit our website, www.homehvacservicesgroup.com/locations/Phoenixville-PA.